make chicken and turkey stew. Okay, let's go.
So guys, she's making stew, chicken and turkey stew, and this was when she was spicing chicken. Guys, you have to season your chicken and turkey, like you have to really season it.
Very well.
Yes, and this was adding Maggie and salt. Oh god. Ah, guys, if our neighbor know, if our neighbor know, cause what is this richness like? It's already giving. And okay, she's about to fry the chicken and turkey. And yes, there is also fish.
So we are done frying.
And this is the fresh tomatoes and blended
So
fresh
it's time for us
tomatoes.
to make this stew. So we'll go in first with our tomato paste. So we'll have to fry it first before adding the blended one. So guys, continue.
Okay, she just added the blended tomatoes and she was spicing the stew.
Added crayfish, Maggi, curry thyme, seasoning and others. So guys, our stew is almost ready.
And shining, as you can see. Yes,
Added our
and she added
protein.
the fried turkey and chicken.
Yeah.
She
Added
also
our curry
added
leaf.
curry leaf.
So guys, our stew is ready. Ta-da-da-da. So
Come and celebrate Easter with us tomorrow.
thank you. So guys, we're done cooking. What do you think? Let us. Bye.